So I actually work in Redshift, and what I like about Redshift is they have the render view, and kind of there is a bit of like a sort of like a cheat way that we can do this in Cinema 4D, which is going to help us today, just to kind of see how our materials are looking, how our lights are looking in our scene. So we can come over to panel, and we can go new view panel, and it makes this new kind of view panel here, which is the same as our like viewport. It's the same perspective view. And so what we can do, we can grab these little three lines here, and we can hold it down, and we can dock it in here. And I'm just going to sort of make it a little bit bigger, just so we can kind of see what's going on. And then in here, I'm just going to go to camera, use camera, and I'm going to use my Cinema 4D camera. And so it's going to look through here. Okay, so this is like the first step. And then what we can do, we can turn on our interactive render region. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold down, I'm going to use a shortcut for that. So that is Option and R. And then we can see we get this, this interactive render region. And you might find this looking a little bit fuzzy, and that's because we have a bit of like a quality slider. So we can put it all the way down, and the quality won't be great, but it's going to render super quick in this region, or we can pull it all the way up. And because we're not doing anything too crazy, we can kind of pull this up to the top. And then what we can do is, as we add kind of some materials and some lights in here, it's going to update in real time, and it's kind of like a bit of a cheap way of having our own IPR.